You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this name once and for all correctly. If you want to learn more confusing pronunciations of names that too many people get wrong, stay tuned. I've got more videos for you. It's pronounced two different ways. Either Keynes, alright, that's more British English pronunciation of the surname, but in American English in particular, and if you're looking at how to pronounce the name of this famous economist, John Maynard Keynes is how it's pronounced. Okay, so if you're talking about the economist or an American, generally pronounced as Keynes, but in the UK often Keynes. Two different correct pronunciations, and now you know how to pronounce it. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.